about to get insane.
I've never seen anything like this!
I just bought this entire supermarket. And for the next 10 minutes, everything inside is free.
You heard it! Everything is free! Get in there! Hey! Woo-hoo!
When I press this button, it starts.
Go! When I press this button, it starts. This is about to get insane!
This is about to get insane. People are grabbing everything. We're already at $500,000. You only have 8 minutes left.
Let's go, people! Grab it all! Faster! Time's running out!
8 minutes.
I've never seen anything like this!
$2 million already? This is changing lives right now.
Grab it all, we can finally stock up!
I'm so happy, I can't believe it.
They're clearing out the electronics section. We're halfway through. This is way more than I expected. And we still have 5 minutes left.
We just passed $5 billion!
They're taking the big stuff now.
Grab the consoles!
This is absolute madness.
We're at $6.5 million. Only 3 minutes left. 3 minutes. Only 3 minutes left.
They're emptying the appliance section. I can't believe how fast this is happening. This is why we do this.
8 million already?
We might actually break the record.
We're at $6.5 million.
They're going for the last items.
Yes, grab everything. This is insane.
We just crossed 9 million.
We just crossed 9 million. 1 minute, let's go.
They almost cleared the entire store. We're so close to 10 million. This is it. "45 seconds.
This is it.
45 seconds. This is it."
Oh, keep pushing. People are grabbing the last items. People are grabbing the last items.
This is it.
We just hit 9.9 million.
30 seconds left.
This is it.
Can they make it in time?
We're so close.
We're almost there.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. 3, 2.
3, 2. Time's up! Did we hit it? We broke 2 This is the craziest thing we've ever done. This changes everything for them.
Thank you, Nicholas.
You have no idea what this means. This is the craziest thing we've ever done. We literally emptied the entire store. The manager couldn't believe it either. Diego, I can't believe this. Incredible. Thanks, man. It was wild. Over $10 million in minutes. I honestly didn't think we'd hit 10 million. This started as a crazy idea. This started as a crazy idea. We broke 10 million! And it became something unforgettable. This might be our biggest giveaway ever. If this video hits 1 million likes, we'll buy another store. You heard that right. Subscribe right now.
Because next time, we're just getting started.